Hi there frogs, so the final part 3 of these help videos, actually now going to show you how to start to create your very own game. So, as I said before, we go into my game here, the more complex version. Okay, and you start off with a completely blank screen, just your little character in the middle there. Now what you can do is just loads of things you can do. First of all, on the left hand side here, these are sort of your wall features or floor features. So obviously, if we're in the woods, we're going to put some trees around. So you can put some trees around, just scatter them around here, and they're like blockers stopping your character from moving. The next thing we've got down here is we've got an area to find what sort of flooring you want. So we might go for, let's say randomly, we'll go for this time. You'll see it changes on the screen. You can put a ceiling in. You can also put a sky background here. So you might choose a bright, nice sunny background for yours. I don't know what you choose. There'll be other options that come up as well. And then finally, you can look at the options here. You can do different lighting options, how high you want things to appear. You can put background music in. Okay, so we'll just very quickly go for some different ones. Make it too high, and you can do different lighting, so we'll make it very bright, and then it should show up on all your screens. Press OK when you're happy with them. Then you can decide how many bits of treasure you want to put in. So we'll just put a piece of treasure there and a monster. Okay, now these are both editable features as well. So if you click on the little pencil here, you can see that we can change our monster. We can change our movement of our monster. We can decide we want it to go in a different direction. So I might decide that in this instance, I want my monster to follow my person around. You can decide on sound effects, you can decide on actions that they do, and you can decide on how much damage they inflict. You can also, up here, on the options here, on the clip art options, change completely what they look like. So instead of that square rectangular robotic monster, I'm going to choose a bit of a dinosaur type creature. So when I go into my planning screen, you'll see that that's now changed. I can do the same thing with my treasure. I can add in different movements for the treasure, different sound effects. I can even include different points. And one extra feature, I can go on here and I can actually choose what my treasure looks like. So I'm going to make it a strawberry for today. So when I press OK, I go down here. And when I decide I want to do another level, I can add multiple levels in up here using the tab, and it starts again. But just to check my game is working, I can press play. It's going to load the screen through. I can add my title in up here, but it's just in a quick demo. We'll press play, and you can see here it is. So there's my flooring I chose. There's that bright background. The monster's already found me, so I've got to use my keys to get over to that strawberry quickly before he gets me again. And there it is. I've completed my own little game. Hope that helps on how to create your own games and gives you some success this week. I'm looking forward to playing all your games you create later in the week.